read for Christmas stories until December 26th.
Clifford's Puppy Days. Christmas Angel. When Clifford woke up one winter morning, he was surprised that Emily Elizabeth was already out of bed. He went to look for her and got an even bigger surprise. There was a large tree in the living room. "Hey, Little Red," Norval called from the windowsill. "What do you think of the tree? It's a beaut, isn't it? The Howards brought it inside because it smells so nice." Daffodil hopped into the living room. "Oh, Norval," she said, "that's not why the Howards have the tree. The tree is here because Christmas is tomorrow." "What does a tree have to do with Christmas?" wondered Clifford. "Good morning," said Emily Elizabeth. "I woke up early because I was so excited to see the Christmas tree. We're having a party tonight to decorate it." Clifford barked happily. He still didn't know what a tree had to do with Christmas, but he loved parties. After breakfast, Clifford helped Emily Elizabeth wrap presents. There were presents for everyone. The doorbell rang. "Emily Elizabeth, can you please get that?" called Mrs. Howard from the kitchen. "Sure, Mom," replied Emily Elizabeth. Flo and Zoe had arrived with Mr. Solomon. The cats bounded into the room to play with Clifford, but they couldn't find him anywhere. Then they noticed that one present was wiggling. The cats tipped the present over. Out came Clifford. "What were you doing in there?" asked Zoe. "Are you someone's present?" asked Flo. "I don't think so," Clifford replied. "Why are all these presents here?" "They're here because it's Christmas," Zoe answered. "Presents are what Christmas is all about," added Flo. Now Clifford was even more confused. Christmas was about trees, parties, and presents? A few hours later, Clifford was amazed at all the changes to the living room. Now there were stockings, wreaths, and twinkling lights. Clifford explored everything. "Silly puppy," Emily Elizabeth giggled. "That hat's too big for you. Try this one. It will keep you warm on your walk with York." "It sure smells terrific in there," York said. "Mr. and Mrs. Howard have been cooking all morning," said Clifford. "They're getting ready for the party tonight." "The food isn't just for tonight's party," said York. "They're cooking for Christmas tomorrow, too. The delicious food makes Christmas merry." The food? Clifford wondered. What about the presents, the tree, and the party? He felt more confused than ever. Finally, it was time for the party. All of the Howard's friends helped decorate the tree. Mrs. Howard took an ornament out of a box and showed it to Nina's mom. "Aren't these beautiful?" she said. "They remind me of everything wonderful about Christmas." Whatever Christmas is must be in that box, thought Clifford. He decided to climb into the box to see for himself. When Mr. Solomon reached into the box to get another ornament, he pulled out Clifford instead. "What are you doing in there, Clifford?" Mr. Solomon asked. "Someone might think you're a decoration." "That's a great idea," said Mr. Howard. "I know just the place where we can put Clifford so we won't lose him again." He lifted the little red puppy high up and perched him at the top of the tree. Clifford looked down on the party. Everyone was smiling. All his friends and family were happily celebrating being together. Emily Elizabeth climbed up and took Clifford down. "Isn't Christmas wonderful?" she asked. Clifford gave her a big kiss. This time he knew exactly what she meant. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Clifford stories, check out my Clifford playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you! See you next time!